We'll guide you through how to remove Gaussian blur in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they accidentally blur their images or receive photos that look soft and lack detail. Gaussian blur is often used for effects, but removing it isn't straightforward. So users look for ways to recover clarity. They want sharper visuals for social media, design projects, or professional work without retaking the original photo. So you want to magically remove Gaussian blur like Photoshop is some kind of time machine. It's not, but fine, we'll fake it convincingly. Start by opening Photoshop on your device. Once it loads, click on Create New to begin a fresh project. You will then be asked to name your project, so type in whatever name helps you stay organized. After that, set the project size according to your needs. For this example, use 1080 by 1920 pixels. When all the settings look correct, click OK to create your canvas. Next, go to the top menu, click File, then select Open, and choose the photo you want to fix. Once the image opens, drag it into the canvas you just created so it becomes part of your project. Now, right-click on the image layer in the Layers panel and choose Convert to Smart Object, so you can apply adjustments non-destructively. After that, go to the Filter menu, select Sharpen, and then click on Smart Sharpen. A settings window will appear where you can adjust the amount, radius, and reduce noise sliders. These controls help bring back detail and reduce the blur effect. Adjust each setting carefully based on your photo's quality and level of blur. Try increasing the amount to enhance sharpness, but avoid making it look unnatural. Keep the radius relatively low because pushing it too high can create harsh edges and artifacts. At the same time, do not leave the amount too low, where the effect will be barely noticeable. Balance these settings until the image looks clearer and more defined to your eyes. Once you're satisfied with the result, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, save your work by pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard, or go to File, choose Export, and select Export as PNG to save a high-quality version of your improved image.